This is HelpScreen and this is how to fix Spectrum app error code STLP9999. So guys, this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so simply follow along. So guys, I'm gonna show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix your application. So for the first solution is just go to your web browser and just search for speed tests. And then from here, just tap on run a speed test. So guys, usually to work for Spectrum, you need at least 2 to 3 Mbps in order for the application to work. So if it is above that number, you need to contact your internet service provider in order for you to fix the issue. So now guys, for the second solution is just go to the Google Play Store and then search for the Spectrum application and make sure you are running the latest version of the application. And now guys, if you have an update on your device, you should be able to update it over here. And now for the second solution guys, just go ahead and go to the settings on your device. And then once you are here, just tap on the apps. And then from here, just try to find the Spectrum over here. And then from here, guys, what you will do is tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix your Spectrum app. And then now for the last solution, guys, is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall My Spectrum on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue and you should have a working Spectrum app. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.